Is this a hand launch?
It
There's one here.
I do launch it by hand. It's got a flight controller in it.
Right.
So it's actually fully autonomous, and it does a thing called auto launch.
Huh.
Right now I've got it just plugged into this because I'm waiting for the GPS to lock in.
Okay.
Because sometimes I think my video transmitter and or the radio, the RC transmitter receiver, interferes with the GPS trying to get that initial lock.
Right.
So
interesting.
So that's why I just power it from the USB initially until it gets a lock.
Is that the antenna?
These are the antennas for the just for the video feed. And basically what it's got is a
that's called Fat Shark.
That's the brand name.
Okay.
This is old. These goggles are probably 8+ years old. Old technology.
Okay.
This is analog. It's an analog video signal. You know, nowadays things are digital. You know, all the DJI stuff is digital.
Right.